guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. So in today's episode, I am going to share my vision board with you. All right, so my vision board is about my business that I started with my daughters in the summer. So I just wanted to share a little bit about what our plans are for the rest of the year, because we started this business, Oli Cosmetics. It is a makeup line, and it was started in the summertime while we were in a pandemic on lockdown. So, it was kind of started out of boredom, because we started brainstorming about what we could do to keep busy, and we came up with a makeup line, and we researched the whole summer, and then eventually started it. By the end of the summer, we launched. So I wanted to share our vision of the business, because since we started the business, we've been making sales here and there, and then we saw that this is actually something we maybe, if we take it more seriously, we could actually make more sales. So yeah, my girls and I figured, okay, if we make enough sales from this business, or if we increase the sales from this business, we can actually use the funds to be more generous when we go on our mission trips. Because my husband and I, like I explained in my previous video, I think it was my first video, I explained that we are in the medical field and we do a lot of medical missions. We giving back to our community where we come from, Nigeria and other parts of the world. So my girls and I visualized that since the business seems to be in some sales, if we can increase our sales, we can actually have enough funds to be more generous with our giving when we go to our mission trips, because we have noticed that there is a lot of need, besides the medical aspect of our charity work. There's a financial need that people have, because the communities that we go to, people are very poor and need a lot of financial help. So that's our motivation for wanting to increase the sales here, so that we can be financially more buoyant to help them more than we've already been doing, right? So yes, so that's our plan here. So in order to increase the sales, because it's an online business, we have to increase our social media presence. So that means we have to be on all of these platforms like Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. So we have joined those platforms. My daughter was already on Instagram and YouTube. She's been on these platforms for a couple of years, and I was only on Facebook. But now with this business, I have started a YouTube channel, and I've gotten a personal Instagram page as well as the business page, and I just opened a TikTok account. And so you just want to be present in all of these social networks, so that we could be seen, so that people can get to know us and see what we're doing and hopefully buy our products. And so that's our goal, is to increase our sales. So these are the action steps that we need to take in order to reach our goal of making more sales. So we figured that with increase in social media presence, we will increase our following on social media. And then that's why we started all of those networks. So the main thing that we want to focus on is YouTube and Instagram. So for YouTube, we have a short-term goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And the way that we plan to reach that, we have an action plan of how to reach that goal, is to upload 3 videos a week. I saw that I've been watching experienced YouTubers who say that it took them like 50 videos or 100 videos before YouTube noticed them and started sending their videos to the general public. And so far for me right now, the only people that see my videos are my friends that are subscribed to me, that I asked to subscribe to me, and they have subscribed and they watch my video. Thank you, friends. I so appreciate all of you. Thank you very much for your support. But the end goal is to have the general public access my videos and watch them and subscribe to me. So that's why I have this plan to make 3 videos a week for the rest of the year. So I figured if it took some people 50 videos, 60 videos, 70 videos, 100 videos before YouTube noticed them. Perhaps it will take me that many videos for YouTube to notice me and start sharing my videos with the general public. So for that reason, I calculated it. Okay, I did my math. I'm not great at math, but I was able to figure out that if I made 3 videos a week, by the end of this year, for the next 9 months remaining of this year, I would have over 100 videos. And so I am figuring if I have 100 videos, by that time, YouTube should notice that this girl is serious. She's not joking. And of course, I have to stay consistent. I have to be consistent because I have also heard from these experienced YouTubers that consistency is key to unlocking the algorithm of YouTube, okay? If you are consistent and you're making the videos and putting them out there and you are interacting with your viewers, then YouTube's algorithm will pick you up and notice that you're serious and then start sharing your videos with the general public, okay? That's the end goal. And also, I put the link of my other social media handles are in my videos. So when you are watching my video or any YouTube video and you see a little arrow that points down, if you click it, if you're not familiar with YouTube, if you click that little arrow that points down, that will open a window that will show you where the description is, and in that area you will see all of the links, okay? So the link to my Instagram, my Facebook, my website, all of those links will be there. So please click those links and follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and buy something from our website, please. And that is how you can help us reach our goal. All right, and also we have a goal for Instagram, right? So Instagram, we want to reach 2,000 followers by the end of the year, right? So, and of course there has to be an action plan to reach that goal. And the action plan is to post content consistently on a daily basis, and not just one content a day. You gotta post a lot. So we're posting a lot, like 5, 6, 7, 8 pictures of what we're doing and stuff, and good content per day. And just keep posting, and stay consistent with it. And then also we have realized that we have to do paid promotions, okay, on a weekly basis. We have been doing that on a weekly basis for the past few weeks, and it has been helping with the following. I know that people tend to say that, oh, you can gain followers organically, that is without paying. And I have noticed that that does not work, at least with a business. In your personal page, if you have a lot of friends that you guys are following each other and stuff, that works organically, because the way Instagram works is that when Instagram sees that people are interacting with your posts, then they'll send your post to more people to see. And then, of course, once more people see it, the potential is that other people will like your content and follow you. And that's how people gain followers. But with a business page, I've noticed that the same rule does not apply, because your business page, it's not a friendship thing. You are a business, and so you don't really have friends that are following your page already. So you have to depend on Instagram to share your content with people that will now like what they're seeing and follow you. And if you do not pay Instagram, they don't share your content with people that might follow you, because Instagram is a business. They want to make money. And if you are a business trying to make money, they want you to pay them so they can advertise for you, basically. They don't want to just share your content with people for free. They want you to pay, and then they'll share your content. All right, so that's how they make money. And so, yeah. So we have realized that. So now we do paid promotions, and we have noticed that that has been working. We've been gaining followers. And of course, the more followers you gain, the more potential for sales. Okay, so and then also put other social media handles on our page. And we've Instagram, I think, only allows for one link that you can put there, and so we have our website there. So please follow us on Instagram. We are Oli.Cosmetics on Instagram. So follow us and click on our website and make a purchase. Buy something. Okay, that's how you can help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 2,000 followers on Instagram. Okay, so please follow us. If you're not already following us on Instagram, please subscribe to me if you're not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed already, thank you very much. And please, if you're a subscriber to me, check out my Instagram and follow us there as well. All right, and see the things that we're posting on Instagram. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. All right, and we will revisit this vision board at the beginning of next year. We will revisit it and see how well we have done or how far we have come to reaching our goal. All right, thank you very much. All right, bye.